Does datetime.fr on timestamp os.path.getctime in Python give me a timezone-aware value? I am using calls such as this in Python 3.4. Will X and Y be timezone-aware, as per the definition of that term in the datetime documentation? Does this vary between platforms? I assume that in theory that time and time of a file are measured against the seconds since the epoch in UTC, so the answer should be yes. If so, is that true across all/most POSIX platforms? Specifically, is it true on modern Linux/OS X? If not, is there a better way to handle this? How can I get timezone-aware time and time data? What time zone do platforms use for expressing/storing time in time?
On Oz at least, os.path.getctime returns a timezone-naive datetime in the system's time zone. Time.timezone will give you the local time zone offset in seconds, not accounting for DST. The Python library will probably be very useful to you.
os.path.getTime returns a float that represents seconds since epoch, values returned by time.time. It is not a datetime object naive or otherwise. Datetime.fromTimestamp returns a naive datetime object representing local time unless you pass the explicit sinfo object as a second parameter. Code example.